Namaste, welcome to the yoga series Awake and Restore. This series is here for you to do a few kind of different practices to awake your energy and restore the body. So you might find practices like yin yoga, restorative yoga, where we go in a very slow and gentle way, but also some therapeutic aspects and exercises, and Yoga Nidra and practices before bedtime. So quite a diversity for you here to explore and also to meet me as a teacher and for me to present the things I actually really like to practice myself as well. So I hope you enjoy, and as always, you can leave some feedback underneath this video if there's anything you like to address in this series, so I might be able to record that for you also. All right, enjoy your awake and restore practices.